Recent weather forecasts and alerts across Quebec have raised significant concerns about severe thunderstorms and associated risks. Over the past few days, several regions, including Montreal, Estrie, Abitibi-Témiscamingue, and others, have been on high alert due to impending severe weather conditions. According to reports from various sources including La Presse, Ma Copyright Ta Copyright Oma Copyright Dia, TVE Nouvelles, and journal The Montre Copyrightal, meteorologists have been closely monitoring the development of intense thunderstorms. These storms are expected to bring not only heavy rainfall but also the potential for hailstorms with hailstones as large as golf balls reported in some areas. In Montreal and Estrie, residents are advised to stay vigilant as the weather situation unfolds. Ma Copyright Ta Copyright Oma Copyright Dia highlights that while heat remains a concern this week, it is the severe thunderstorms that pose the greatest immediate risk. Areas surrounding Montreal have already experienced sudden thunderstorm activity, prompting cautionary measures from local authorities. Further north in Abitibi-Témiscamingue, recent storms have left a trail of destruction with reports of golf ball-sized hail damaging properties and vehicles. TVE Nouvelles has documented the aftermath of these severe weather events, emphasizing the unpredictability and rapid onset of such storms. In response to these developments, emergency services are urging residents to take precautions. This includes staying indoors during thunderstorms, avoiding open areas, and securing loose objects that could become projectiles in strong winds. Drivers are advised to exercise extreme caution on the roads, as heavy rainfall can quickly reduce visibility and create hazardous driving conditions. As the situation evolves, meteorologists continue to update their forecasts and issue alerts to keep the public informed and safe. It is crucial for residents to stay tuned to local weather updates and heed any warnings issued by authorities. Preparedness and quick action can significantly mitigate the impact of severe weather events. For the latest updates on the weather situation across Quebec, including real-time radar imagery and localized forecasts, visit Ma Copyright Ta Copyright Oma Copyright Dia's website or follow updates from reputable news sources.